When you talk about the aeroplane, there are 24,000 aeroplanes in record as per aviation analyst. And we are more or less familiar with regular passenger commercial aircraft. It surprises me to find that an aircraft can carry as many as 850 passengers, or another one which has wingspan longer than a football field. It is amazing to see those giant aeroplanes are really taking off the ground. We'll find more on this. Stay with me. Hello friends, my name is Ali and welcome to my channel Finding Places and More. If you like this video, then please comment on it. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification when I upload my next video. Now let's explore the largest, the heaviest, top 10 giant aeroplane. Thank you. It was 1947. Its first and only flight was just for 26 seconds and about 1.5 kilometers distance. But that was enough for it to be considered as the largest wingspan plane ever flown in that time. It may not be the largest plane in the world 2020, but its contribution to the field of aviation will never be forgotten. This giant flying boat, made of wood and fitted with 8 engines, was designed during World War II in response to the country's long-range heavy transport needs. The Hughes H-4 Hercules was a project by aviation tycoon Howard Hughes, and it was depicted in the movie The Aviator, starring Leonardo DiCaprio. The iconic Boeing 747 has dominated the skies for 3 decades from early 70s. It has been the undisputed queen of the skies, and because of its unique forward hump, it became world's most recognizable plane. Boeing has built over 1,500 Boeing 747, and the planes have served as largest passenger and cargo aircraft in the world. The 747 was the world's largest passenger plane until 2005, when Airbus unveiled its A380. The C-5 Galaxy is the largest military transport aircraft routinely operated by the US military. It has enough cargo space to carry 2 M1 Abrams tanks, 16 Humvees, 3 Black Hawks and many more. It has payload capacity of almost 135 tons. Without cargo, the C-5 can fly up to 7,000 miles without refueling, making it the longest range military airlifter in the world. The C-5 Galaxy first flew in 1968. It has been used to transport military operations around the world and to distribute humanitarian aid and help during evacuations. The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress entered service in 1955, and the present model debuted in 1961. It is an impressive military plane that has immediate nuclear and conventional global strike capability. It prides itself as the most combat-capable bomber in the US. It can carry up to 70,000 pounds of weapons and has been in the service for more than 6 decades. And its popular nickname, Buff, that's B-U-F-F, Big, Ugly, Fat. The Antonov An-124 Ruslan, operated by the Russian Air Force, is one of the biggest planes in the world. It first flew in 1982, and for a long time it was the largest and heaviest cargo aircraft in the world besides the Antonov An-225 Mriya. With a payload capacity of 165 tons, the Antonov An-124 Ruslan is in service with the Russian Air Force as well as many cargo operators who use it to move particularly heavy and oversized cargo. The Airbus 380 is the largest passenger plane ever built on this planet. Depending on seat layout, the plane can carry as many as 850 passengers. But the typical one can carry about 550 passengers. The plane entered commercial service in 2007 and hoped to become the future of commercial air travel. The double-decker A380 helped with its capacity to reduce air traffic and congestion of major hub airports. However, as airlines have moved more towards offering more frequent direct point-to-point flights with smaller, more fuel-efficient aircraft, Airbus has announced that A380 production end by 2021. So far, Dubai-based Emirates Airlines is the largest operator of A380. The Airbus A300-600 Super Transporter, commonly called the Beluga. Later, they introduced Airbus Beluga XL, which is bigger and it has 30% more carrying capacity than earlier version. The plane is massive. It's 206 feet long and has the largest cross-section of any cargo plane in the world. A pair of Rolls-Royce Trent 700 turbofan engines helps keep the hulking plane airborne. It looks more like whale in the sky, and it is used to ferry around parts of building Airbus's other range of planes at its production sites across Europe. Boeing needed a cargo plane with an enormous amount of storage to transport components for the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, which has parts made all over the world. The solution was to take a biggest plane, that 747, and build a custom cargo hold around it. So far, 4 Dreamlifters are made and it has payload capacity of 125 tons. The 6-engined Antonov An-225 Mriya is literally in a category of its own, holding the titles of both the heaviest aircraft ever built with a maximum takeoff weight of 710 tons and the largest wingspan of 290 feet. Antonov An-225 Mriya was designed to carry the Buran space shuttle. Only one kind of this aircraft has ever been built, while the second one that was under construction remains unfinished because of collapse of the Soviet Union. It is used for heavy lifts job all over the world. Its first flight was in December 1988 and it remains in service today. It has not flown yet except test flights, but the moment it does, the Stratolaunch, an aircraft project founded by Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen, will become the largest wingspan aircraft in the history. It's 385 feet long. Just to compare, if you placed Stratolaunch on a football field, the wings would extend through the goalposts an extra 12.5 feet on both sides. It's an unusual looking plane with 6 engines and 2 aircrafts combined, although only one wheel pressurized to carry the crew. The aircraft is designed to carry rockets up into the stratospheres and drop them, where they would then launch to space. This alternative to conventional rocket launches could conserve some of the fuel needed to overcome all of Earth's gravity from sea level into the orbit and launch small rockets at a rapid pace. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please comment and let me know your thoughts. May God bless you. Thank you.